Hello friends, I am Ankit Ladda. Today I share one more video on building estimate. This is basically estimate of two-room building, and the question is estimate the quantities of the following item of a two-room building from the given plan and section. Basically in this question the two-room building is given and we find out the estimate of two-room building, and it is related to the subject quantity surveying and valuation or estimating and costing. And in this video, in this question, the first thing is asking earthwork in excavation in foundation, second lime concrete in foundation, third first class brickwork in cement mortar 1:6 in foundation and plinth, then 2.5 centimeter cement concrete DPC dam proof course, then the fifth one is first class brickwork in lime mortar in superstructure, and also ask solve by separate wall method. Basically in earlier video the one room building by centerline method we discuss, and in this video we two room building solve by separate wall method. And in this question the plan and cross section are given. We first discuss the plan. A two room, first room is 4 meter into 6 meter and second one is 6 meter into 6 meter, and in this building there are 4 windows in both rooms and 2 doors and 2 shelf. The shelf thickness is 20 centimeter and behind the shelf the wall is 10 centimeter thick, and all boundary walls and middle wall are 30 centimeter thick. This is the plan, and we take a portion of wall or a section AA, and here is the cross section of wall AA. In the cross section of wall AA, first is given lime concrete. The width is 1.1 meter and height is 30 centimeter. The width is 1.1 meter, that is also the foundation trench width, and excavation in foundation width is 1.1 meter. Then the first footing 80 centimeter width and 20 centimeter height or depth. Then the second footing 70 centimeter width and 10 centimeter depth. Then third footing 60 centimeter width and 10 centimeter depth. Then the fourth footing 50 centimeter width and 10 centimeter depth. Then the plinth wall, the 40 centimeter width, and the total height of plinth wall is 80 centimeter, below the ground 20 centimeter and above the ground 60 centimeter. Above the plinth DPC are there, plinth wall 2.5 centimeter DPC are there, and inside the wall the floor is cement concrete 2.5 centimeter cement concrete over 7.5 centimeter lime concrete. That means the 7.5 centimeter lime concrete and the cover or finishing by cement concrete 2.5 centimeter. Then the superstructure wall. The superstructure wall is 30 centimeter width and 4.2 meter height, and after the superstructure wall the terrace is there. The slab is 30 centimeter RCC, 13 centimeter RCC slab, and the finishing is by 7.5 centimeter lime terrace over. It is also given that all walls are of same section. Lintels over doors, windows and shelves are 15 centimeter thick RB work, reinforced brick work. It means the thickness of shelf, door, window, lintels is 15 centimeter. Also given that the length and size of doors, windows and shelf. The size of door is 1.2 meter into 2.1 meter, window is 1 meter into 1.5 meter, shelf is 1 meter into 1.5 meter. So we start the solution. In the solution, first we draw a table, that is quantity table. Calculate we quantities, all particulars of items. First column is item number, then particulars of item, number, length, width, height or depth, quantity and explanatory note. So in this question, first we find out the center to center length of long wall and short wall. First we calculated long wall center to center length. So in the plan, 4 meter and 6 meter both rooms length of long wall, and between that a wall that is 30 centimeter, and both outside wall is 30 centimeter 30 centimeter. For the center to center distance, 4 plus 6 plus 0.3 middle wall, and 0.3 and 0.3 both side divided by 2, because we calculated in center to center distance. So add both side wall width and divided by 2. So the total length equal to 4.4 plus 6 plus 0.30 plus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2, that is 10.6 meter. Then the short wall, center to center length of short wall equal to 6 meter length, and both side wall is 30 centimeter 30 centimeter. Then the 6 plus 2 into 0.3 divided by 2, that is 6.3 meter. Then in the question, first one is given that we find out the earthwork in excavation in foundation. Because it is separate wall method, so we first calculate the long wall. Long wall is 2, number of long wall is 2. Then we calculated length. Length is already we calculated L equal to 10.6, but this is the length of plan, and plan is for wall, boundary wall. But in this earthwork in excavation in foundation, because of earthwork in excavation in foundation, the width is 1.1 meter. Lime concrete width is 1.1 meter, that is the trench, foundation trench, and the excavation width also 1.1 meter. So we both side center to center excavation width added. So 2 into 1.1 divided by 2, or directly we add 1.1 for both side. So 10.6 plus 1.1 equal to 11.7 meter. Then the short wall, number of short wall is 3, and length L equal to 6.3 we already calculated, but in this both side the excavation width is minus. Why? Because of we already added both side thickness, both side width in the long wall. So in the short wall calculation, we only added the intermediate side. So the length is 6.3 minus 1.1, that is 5.2 meter. Then for long wall, length for long wall and short wall we calculated length. Then the width is 1.1 meter for both, and height is 1 meter for both long wall and short wall, 1 meter. For the earthwork in excavation, we all know that the earthwork is calculated under the ground level. So the below the ground level is 20 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 20 plus 30 centimeter. This is the 100 centimeter. So we take 1 meter height or depth. So for long wall total quantity is 25.74 cubic meter, and for short wall 17.16 cubic meter. And the total of earthwork in excavation in foundation for both long wall and short wall is 42.9 cubic meter. Second one is the lime concrete in foundation. First we calculated for long wall. Number of long wall is 2. 11.7 meter is the length. We already calculated above. There are the same as well as earthwork in excavation in foundation for length, because of the width is same. The width for excavation in foundation is 1.1 meter and lime concrete is also 1.1 meter width. So the length is same, there are no changes. Height or depth is width is 1.1 meter and height or depth is 0.3 meter. This is also given in the cross section of wall, that is 30 centimeter. So the total quantity is 7.72 cubic meter. Then the short wall, number of short wall is 3, 5.2 meter. We already above calculated. 1.1 meter is width and 0.3 meter is height or depth. So multiplied all number, length, width and height, it comes 5.15 cubic meter. So the total lime concrete in foundation is 12.87 cubic meter. The third one is first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. First we calculated for long wall. In long wall, first class brickwork in foundation or plinth. For first footing, number of first footing is 2 because of long wall. Then we calculated length L equal to 10.6 plus 0.8. 0.8 is the width of first footing. So we add both side width 0.8 centimeter. So 2 into 0.8 divided by 2, that is 0.8. So we directly add 0.8, that is 11.4. So 11.4 meter is length, 0.8 meter is width, 0.2 meter is height or depth given in the section, cross section. Then the total is 3.65 cubic meter. Then the second footing, number of second footing is 2. Then the length is 10.6 plus 0.7. 0.7 is the width of second footing, equal to 11.3. So the 11.3 is the length, 0.7 is the width, 0.1 is the height or depth, and total is 1.58 cubic meter. Then the third footing is, number of third footing is 2. Length is 10.6 plus 0.6, that is 11.2 meter length, 0.6 meter is width, 0.1 meter is height or depth, and total is 1.34 cubic meter. Then the fourth footing, number of fourth footing is 2. Length equal to 10.6 plus 0.5, that is 11.1 meter, and width is 0.5, height or depth 0.1, and total is 1.1 cubic meter. Then the plinth wall above footing, number of plinth wall above footing is 2. Then the length equal to 10.6 plus 0.4. 0.4 is the width of plinth wall. Then the total length is 11 meter. 0.4 meter is width and 0.8 meter is height or depth. We already know that in the cross section, above the ground level 60 centimeter and below the ground level 20 centimeter height is given for plinth wall. So total is 80 centimeter. So we take 0.8 meter as a height. Then the total is 7.04 cubic meter. Then we calculated short wall. In short wall, first footing, number of footing is 3 because of short wall is 3. Then the length equal to 6.3 minus 0.8. 0.8 is the width equal to 5.5 meter. 5.5 meter. 0.8 is width, 0.2 meter is height or depth. So in short wall, the height and the width is same as well as long wall. Only the length is changed because in this both side width is minus, center to center width is minus because of it's already calculated in long wall. So total quantity is 2.64 cubic meter. Then the second footing, number of footing is 3. Then the length equal to 6.3 minus 0.7, that is 5.6 meter. 0.7 is width, 0.1 is height, total 1.18 cubic meter. Then the third footing, number of footing is 3. Length is 6.3 minus 0.6, that is 5.7 meter. 0.6 meter is width, 0.1 meter is height, total 1.03 cubic meter. Then the fourth footing, number of footing is 3. Length is 6.3 minus 0.5, that is 5.8 meter. 0.5 is height or depth, 0.5 is width, 0.1 meter is height or depth, and total quantity is 0.87 cubic meter. Then we calculate plinth wall above footing, that is number of plinth wall 3. Then the length 6.3 minus 0.4, that is 5.9 meter. Height or depth 0.4 meter and width is 0.4 meter and height or depth is 0.8 meter. So the total quantity is 5.66 cubic meter. Then we total all long wall and short wall quantities, and the total first class brickwork in cement mortar in foundation and plinth is 26.1 cubic meter. Then the fourth one is DPC 2.5 centimeter thick cement concrete long wall and short wall. First we calculated long wall. Number of long wall is 2. Then the length is 11 meter. Already we calculated in first class brickwork in foundation and plinth for long wall. The plinth wall length is 11 meter. We all know that DPC is laid down on plinth wall. So the length is same and the width is same. Then the width is 0.4 meter and height and depth or thickness we don't take, because already specified the DPC is 2.5 centimeter and DPC is always measured in square meter. So total quantity is 8.8 square meter. And short wall, number of short wall 3, length already calculated 5.9 meter, 0.4 meter is width, height or depth we don't take, and the total quantity is 7.08 cubic meter, square meter. Then we total the DPC quantity, that is 15.88 square meter. We all know that at the door sills we don't take any DPC, so we deduct the DPC below the door sills. So we deduct door sills, number of door is 2, length already given in the question 1.2 meter and 0.4 meter is width, that is 0.96 square meter. So we subtract 0.96 from 15.88 square meter. So the net total of DPC is 14.92 square meter. Then the last one is first class brickwork in lime mortar in superstructure. So first we calculated long wall. The number of long wall is 2. Length is L equal to 10.6 plus 0.3. 0.3 is the width of wall, superstructure wall. Then the total length is 10.9 meter. Width is 0.3 meter. Height or depth 4.2 meter already given in the cross section. The total quantity is 27.47 cubic meter. Then the short wall, number of short wall is 3. Then the length is 6.3 minus 0.3, that is 6 meter. Width is 0.3 meter. Height or depth is 4.2 meter. Then the total quantity is 22.68 cubic meter. So the total first class brickwork in lime mortar in superstructure is 50.15 cubic meter. We all know that in the plan, in brickwork, in both rooms the doors, windows and shelf are there, so their openings and lintels are deducted. So we first deduct door openings, window openings, shelf opening, then lintel or window, lintel or door, lintel or shelf. So first door opening, number of door is 2, length is already given 1.2 meter. Then the width is wall width is 0.3 centimeter and the height 2.1 already given. So total quantity is 1.51 cubic meter. Then the window openings, number of window is 4, length is 1.0 meter, 0.3 meter is width and 1.5 meter is height. Then the total quantity is 1.80 cubic meter. Then the shelf is, number of shelf is 2, length 1 meter, width is 0.2 meter and height or depth is 1.5 meter. 0.2 meter because of 0.10 meter is the width of wall behind the shelf, so the width is 0.2 meter only. So the total quantity is 0.6 cubic meter. Then we deduct lintels over doors, number of door is 2, length is given 1.2 meter, but for lintel we all know that for both side lintel the bearings are there, so we add both side bearing 15 centimeter in length. So 1.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.15, that is 1.5 meter total length of lintel over the doors. Then the width same 0.3 meter, and height or depth already given that 15 centimeter thick. So 15 centimeter is the height or depth of lintel. So 0.15 meter, then the total quantity is 0.14 cubic meter. Then the lintel or windows, number of windows is 4, 1 meter is length, and 0.15 and 0.15 is both side bearings we added. So 1.3 meter is total length, 0.3 is width, 0.15 is thickness or height or depth. So total quantity is 0.23 cubic meter. Then the lintel over self, number of self is 2. Then the length, 1 meter is length or 0.15 and 0.15 both side bearing added. Then the total length is 1.3 meter and the total length is 1.3 meter and width is 0.3 meter and height or depth is 0.15 meter. Then the total is 0.12 cubic meter. Then we total of the deduction, we openings and lintels added, all added. Then the 4.40 cubic meter is total deduction are made. Then we subtract 4.4 total deduction minus the total quantity of superstructure wall first class brickwork. So 50.15 minus 4.40. Then the net total of first class brickwork in lime mortar in superstructure is 45.75 cubic meter. So according to question, only the estimate and the quantities are asking. We calculated all the quantities of different types of items. There is the no rate given, so we don't make a abstract sheet. That is the answer of this question. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you.